Hello? I'm watching you. Yeah, you. That's who I'm talking to. You. This is Cast Iron Mike Resco from the famous Cast Iron Mike Resco Studios somewhere in the United States. Okay. Hope everybody had a really great day, and of course the New Year's started. We got some New Year's resolutions going on here. I put on a couple of pounds. I know everybody else probably put on a couple of pounds. But we need to work it off, Everything in moderation, right? Don't overdo it. First of all, I got a thing about this. There's this thing called reassessment, and they're doing it over in nearby county where I live. And what they're doing is these people are supposed to go to each house and reassess their property, because the property is probably raised up a little bit, and then they can raise the taxes on everybody. Well, there's a little problem here. These people are not doing it the right way. They're assessing a house, and then the one next to it may be $30,000, $40,000 more. They're assessing property that one guy's living in a condominium I think is about 200-some thousand for his condo, and his parking space was assessed at $280,000. That's absolutely crazy. His parking space, he's going to pay taxes on $280,000 for that. There's an elderly woman. She paid $19 grand for a home. It's paid for. Mortgage is done. She don't have to, worry about payments anymore. Well, they assessed it at almost $50,000. This woman's on a fixed income. This is absolutely nuts. Are you kidding me? She's done. She's going to have to move out of her house. She can't afford the taxes. We need to stop this right now. This judge that okayed this he's just out of control. Obviously, he has enough money to pay taxes, but we got these elderly, we got single parents, we got handicapped people that are living in homes struggling to pay their bills, let alone mortgages that have already been paid, and now they're going to raise their taxes on it. They can't even afford food sometimes, and this needs to stop. There's not enough young people working. There's enough. There's me. There's others. Tax us a little bit more. Take that school tax, for instance. Why are elderly people paying for that? Kids graduated 20, 30, 40 years ago, and they're still paying school taxes. Eliminate that. That's done. Eliminate it. Make us pay for it, okay? We need to get things a little bit, straightened out here and more intelligent people. I think SpongeBob SquarePants has better ideas than a lot of these politicians, for God's sakes, okay? Come on, guys. Loosen up and straighten up. Use your heads. We were given a brain, common sense, all right? Stop this stuff. Stop it. A lot of counties don't even have reassessment, so leave it alone, all right? Now, the other thing is I'm worried about here is these surveys. We watch TV, read the news, and there's a survey about everything, the pollution, there's too much pollution, it's causing lung cancer, it's causing brain cancer. We got surveys on everything. Why is ketchup, move so slow? That's nuts. There's a guy, I think it cost 200-some thousand just to figure out why ketchup is moving so slow. Why do ants build anthills? I don't know, and I don't really care. You got a bunch of guys with glasses and these little white coats sitting up some little room somewhere, charging the taxpayer all this money to do these surveys. The latest one is aspirin may cause blindness. And then they tell you aspirin you need, to help you with heart attacks. I mean, this is crazy. Too much coffee is no good. Not enough coffee. Drink some wine. Don't drink wine. If you pick your nose long enough, you'll probably cause some brain damage. You know what I'm saying? If you yank your hair long enough, you may go bald. I don't know, and I don't really care. This is a waste of taxpayers' money, okay? This just ain't right. Yuns are nuts, okay? Yuns are crazy. You need to just stop this, all right? This is just out of control. We got these guys with the spray hair and the gel and the gray. What is that with the gray sideburns? Everybody got gray sideburns? Yeah, I start to go gray. It's all over. But these guys stand in front of the TV set. They got the gray sideburns. They got the hairspray going on. Their hair doesn't even move. Use your brains and stop worrying about your hair, okay? We work hard for a living. Make the right decisions, especially for the elderly and the people that are struggling. Take these taxes away from them, okay? They paid enough dues in their life, all right? Well, all I got to say is everybody have a great day. Again, encourage your child. Be there for them. Spend some time, talk with your child. Ask them what's going on. every day. You know, just show some interest in your child. It'll make your child a better human being, I'm telling you, for sure. Again, support your troops, support your firemen and police, and God bless America. Over and out, over and out.